Hey friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a theme on Revolut. So let's say I'm on my account right here, my Canadian account, and I want to change a theme. I can go ahead and click on more. Then you'll find the option that says theme. Click on theme, and from here you can choose, right? So here it's going to show you the different accounts that you have, and you can easily go ahead and change a theme for that specific account. So let's say I want to change that for the Canadian account. There is an option for mood. There is also option for theme. So I can click on theme, and here you can see it's showing me some theme that I can choose from. And let's say I want to use only the glow. I can click on glow, and as you can see, it is changed, right? There are other themes there that you can also go ahead. So as you can see, I can simply go ahead and change the theme. That's cool, guys. And as you can see, I'm changing, for example, the one for lava. You can see how it looks there, and that's it. Now in the specific theme as well, you can simply go ahead and you can tap the image, as you can see here. So while you have the theme applies to all of these different currency accounts that you have, but you can go ahead and you can click the picture for that specific account. So let's take the Canada. I can click the image there and I can choose the image, as you can see, and you can upload images as well. So I can go ahead and I can choose if I want something else. So let's say I want that. As you can see, it applies for that specific account, right? You can also go back into other sections here as well, and you can basically change that. So if I want to use something like a snake, I can go ahead and I can add that in, and as you can see, it applies now for that specific. That's basically it. Once you're done, click on apply, and that's it. You will see that the theme for those accounts are now changed, and as you can see, for British pound, for Australian dollars, Canadian, it changes, and so forth. But that's it.